What were the original drivers that required your organization to look at a corporate measurement system?
When we came to the realization that we needed a measurement software, it had to do with internal audit. They had come in, ran some numbers. We are an exploration company, so we're upstream. We do not need it for what the midstream companies need. Therefore, we didn't have the software. But once we came to the realization that we were losing money, not matching up with purchasers, they're underpaying or we're being overcharged, things like that, it became the realization that, hey, maybe we should get a measurement system. Maybe we should dive into how close we could be with what the purchaser's providing compared to what we're paying. So that was the biggest thing, was internal audit and finding glitches and missing opportunities to be a better measurement company.
Yeah, that's awesome. So what made you end up choosing FLOWCAL?
We chose FLOWCAL because the software was packaged very nice together. There was a lot of features that you guys take into consideration, such as the APIs, the BLMs. We had several BLM meters that we had to have taken care of. And since you guys have focused on making sure all the aspects of that section were in line, that's why, I mean, the price was good at the time. The need was good and all of the boxes checked.
Awesome. I love it. Those are all good reasons. So from your perspective, a lot of people call FLOWCAL and the field applications the industry standard for measurement systems. Why do you, or how do you think FLOWCAL became that?
I think that it became, okay, so there's always, first out the chute is, going to get it. So I think by, obviously having the one company and then making it into another company and then hitting it straight out the gate, I think has helped a lot. Another portion that has helped is the fact that you guys do come to your customers. You guys do ask, how can we better ourselves? How can we help evolve? You're not trying to evolve by yourself or, just over here in this little section for these in particular customers. Y'all have made it into a bigger need and have acknowledged that it needs to be a bigger need. Therefore, you're going to evolve. Yeah. You're going to be picked.
Yeah, I love that. Okay, why would you recommend FLOWCAL or any of the field applications to your industry peers today?
I would recommend FLOWCAL to my industry peers because it is a system and a software that several different groups use. Therefore, it's easier to track down issues. It's easier to relate to other people with similar problems. So if I were to have a problem or anything, it's easy to pick up the phone because somebody else has the same software or they could have already had the same issue. So I would recommend it 100%.
Yeah, the community's great.
Yes, the community is great. The people are very helpful. Like I've never met more helpful people in my life. I truly am appreciative for just getting to know the measurement group, like being offered that opportunity, I suppose.
So. I love that. That's a great one. Okay, what's one of your favorite tools or features in the application?
My favorite is the copy paste. So if you're editing data, I hate the fact that you have to do it with a certain amount of numbers. So if I wanted to copy 7, but I accidentally only meant to copy 6 because that's how many need to get fixed, you have to go back and redo the whole thing. But other than that, I think that's one of my favorite features is the copy and paste of the data. And then you see the bottom line come to a perfect number.